The Hive is a private-owned company. It's a beekeeping company. We venture into beekeeping equipment and greatly into honey shops and the supply of honey products. And we were spotted with a company by Earthbeat, and we were trusted by them to come down here because there was a problem of people dying in gold mines. And then we decided we can sit down on the table with the Earthbeat as a company, and then we lay strategies on how to help these people have an alternative economic activity in the area. So what we decided is to come in as people with experience in beekeeping to help these people, give them time to teach them, to give them cores, to give them ideas on how to go with beekeeping.
We have taken a number of 7 years in this field, but then all along we never had any skill. We are just carrying out because we have interest in beekeeping. But as long as the beehives joined us, we actually benefiting a lot. One, with the skills, and also with the practical experience they are giving us. Yeah, they are giving us theory in the class, and also they are doing it practically, where actually we are benefiting a lot.
There are 3 groups so far. We have visited summer group. And then we have a women's group. Then here we are in Busia right now, and Busia so far is the biggest group, and then the management of Earthbeat is putting more emphasis to see that we, the hives, follow up on behalf of Earthbeat. We had stories of people losing their loved ones in the gold mines, so we are trying to change their minds to come to what? To beekeeping. And then as a result, now we are seeing most of them, they have formed these groups and they have come. Every time we come, we notify them and they sit in good numbers, and then we teach them. Earthbeat has worked hand in hand with us. Yes, they have put us on board to help these farmers get out of these problems. At this site where we are, they have over 100 hives, and then they have over 40 colonies already. Though we have not yet started harvesting with them, but they have hope that there is another alternative business here. Because we are looking at quality of the honey, then we have put up the extractors to help them extract honey. Because the local way of doing it has been dirtying our honey. We cannot export the honey unless it is clean. Because what the local people have been doing is pressing everything.
Given us hives, given us the processing machine, and also other benefits like contacts to us. We tell them when we have a challenge. In fact, we are benefiting.